In this video, you'll learn how to forward an entire email thread in Outlook using the web interface. Start by selecting the Sent Items folder from the sidebar to view your outgoing emails. Next, open the Home tab to access key email actions. Then, switch back to your inbox to confirm where your messages are and access the context menu for additional mail handling options. If needed, open the browser menu for more features, then select Sent Items again to continue working with your sent emails. Now, open the Actions menu for your selected message and choose Forward to begin sending your conversation to someone else. In the Compose window, make sure you're on the Message tab and update the email subject as needed before sending. If necessary, navigate between folders like Favorites, Sent Items, or Inbox to check the thread or start a new email by clicking New. Ensure you are still on the Home tab, and when editing the subject line, select the part of the text you'd like to change or emphasize before completing your message. You now know how to forward a conversation in Outlook. Thanks for joining.